Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Palm Beach Gardens checking out a luxury new home community with a great location and resort style amenities. If you want to see more of what Palm Beach Gardens has to offer, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So here we have the Raphael by Kolter homes. The Raphael is going to give you 3,623 square feet under air, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, a 3-car garage, a massive club room that in this model is equipped with a full bar and an open concept kitchen, great room, and lanai. The master suite is situated downstairs off from the great room, complete with its own dual walk-in closets, plenty of natural light, and a spa-like master bath. And Artistry residents enjoy a resident-only clubhouse that features a fitness center with a yoga and aerobic studio, a heated resort-style pool, basketball courts, and more. And in addition to the clubhouse, the community has plenty of green spaces, walking trails, and outdoor areas for relaxation and fitness. So if you want more information about this or any other community in Palm Beach, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying and building here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you too. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes and communities here in Palm Beach Gardens. And as always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area, want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that.